Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about long value timers. How we can make the long value timers with the help of Fatek PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my WinPowerLetter software and here we will choose one close contact of the timer which we like to use in the program. For example, T200 I will choose and timer also I will choose T200 and time we will give just only 1 second because we need the pulse to make counting for next counter. And here we will take the open contact of the timer T200 and here we will make a counter. Go to this C and click it here and you will be find any counter. For example, I will take here C0 and value we will put after from HMI D10 for example or D0 I will choose or any data register you can choose. D10 we will choose and click it OK. And first here we will complete. Here I will make it one internal memory relay M0 for example to reset our counter. Here make this one M0 and make it enter and make the link with the CLR. Because of when our value will be complete after this M0 will be automatically reset this our counter. And next what we will do, next we will make the comparison with this counter. For example, this M0 I will take this rising edge of the M0 and make it here increment. Go to the function and here take you can INC when you write you will be find and here you can choose the increment of any data just a D0 for example I will choose because of when value coming at this C0 and after this time completed after M0 will be on and M0 rising edge after comes the increment at this D0 and after we will make the comparison with the CMP already have a here command this one equal D0 when equal with for example 24 or any 12 hours after you like to be make it on off this value you can put it here. Data register also you can put but I would put this value and next we will choose here one more counter. Oh, sorry, not this one, this counter we will choose. Now this C for example 10 I will choose and here value we will give any for example 365 I will choose for example one year have a 365 days we will choose this 365. Wait, I will first complete this one after I will tell you. And here when this time will be completed we will any relay operate, sorry this one output we will choose and put it here for example M2 you will choose or any and here you will make this one M2 for reset this counter also and make it link with this one. And now this part is complete, yani m2. After when this value will be complete, after this m2 will be on and m2 will be reset this counter. And one more thing we have to be make this one, when this will be make it reset after 24, after this need to have one make a small timer, yani to reset this one. For an example, here we will again take this command equal and greater than and click it OK, and d0 d0 when equal with 24 and start one timer. For example, t0 we will choose for just only 1 second or 2 seconds. You can choose 2 seconds and click it OK. And here what we will choose, and t0 t0 use the open contact of the t0 and make it run, for example, any internal memory relay m10 for example. And here one more we will make this one m10 when on, after we have to be make the reset our d0, so let's first this I will complete and I will explain you this one. Download to the PLC this program and click it OK. And now our program is running. Now see, for example, this timer is giving pulses to this counter and this counter counts the pulses. Here I put, for example, 3600. This 3600 seconds, 3600 seconds. This when we like to convert in minutes, for example, in 1 hour have 60 minutes. So we will divide by 60. How much is answer? Our 60 minutes means 1 hour after this will be giving a 1 increment at this one d0. For example, if you like to make it this one 60 seconds, 60 seconds have a 1 minute, for example. How much time if you like to be make this one calculation? This d10 is now 1 hour after I give this pulse. But I need, for example, a small, but first I will explain you this one for long value timer, yani how much. This is 1 hour after giving the 1 pulse. For example, dummy value I will give at this C0. We will make the C0 dummy value. I will give this one 3600. See here at the increment comes at the D0, right? One increment is come and one increment will come this D0 after this counts will be comes at this one C10. First I will C10 also make the 0. C10 we have to be make C10, right? C10. Here we will take this one C10, for example. I will make this one 0. Okay. This is now 0. Here again I will give the C0. I will give the dummy value 3600 and click it OK, and see here is a 2 coming. And here this D0 when equal with 24, for example, 24 means 1 day, 12 hours, 24 hours after this will be give one signal. And after this is continue when this is running, after for example this is 1 year after you like to be make it this one pump on. So 1 year have a 365 days. So here when complete this one D024, after here a one signal coming. For example this 24 I will replace here. You think about 24 but I will reduce this value. Here can't reduce, we have to be stop the PLC, and here we have to be put the value, for example 4 I will put 4 hours. 4 hours this will be, and this also I will put 4 and click it OK, and again make it run the PLC. Click it yes, and now see this 3600 also I will change the value. For example this 3000 I will make this 30 seconds, yani 30 seconds we will make this time. Okay, this when completed the 30, after here will be one increment come, and at the C0 I will give the dummy value because this after video will be go lengthy. See now D0 is a 0 value, and here counts one value. This C0 again I give the value. Sorry, this C0 we have to I will do the D0. See this C0. Now as increment is come again 1, I will make little it here also, and this one later I will tell you. This C0 again I will give the 30 value, here again 2, and again I will give the 30 value, for example dummy value. This is now 3, and again I give the 30 value. Now is the equal with 4, and this is now continuously go to reset, and here counts coming at the 2. For example again I will give this 30 value. You see after focus it here C10 will be increase the value 30, again 30, again 30, again 30, and see here is comes the 3, and again for example I give the value 3, 30, 30, 30. Now see here the value comes 4. How much hours when you put it here? For example this hours, for example here we will put 4 hours. Now 4 is completed, 4 hours I will put. After this will be M2 will be on, and M2 after this will be clear this counter. See here I will give this one stop the PLC just, and here you can make 365. You can for example 5 I will put 5 hours after I want to be my M2 needs to be on. And also when if you like to be make this one for pumps running or something, run position, and again I will open my status page. This C0 I will give the 30, 30, again 30, and see now your counter is now goes to 0, right? Counter goes to 0 because of M2 I put it here. This one like to be reset. And when you're using for this, for example for pumps or something, here you can use the compare commands. Stop the PLC, and here you can make the compare command equal just this C0, no sorry C10, C10 when equal with for example 1, and here also one more we will take For example, C10 equal with 2, and here one more we will take C10 when equal with 3, and after I need my y0, for example, this I need, this y1 I need, and this one I y2 needs. This can be a pump, or this can be any, you can use, this is pump 1, this is pump 2, pump 3, this one, and click it run PLC and click it yes. And this value 30 seconds, you can put it here 60 seconds. When you put 60, after 1 minute after, this will be giving one signal, right? And this is now 0. For example, in status page I will go, and the C0 I will give the dummy value 30, and C0, no sorry, C10 we have to give the value 30. This we will make the 4 D0. D0 when equal with 4, after here one increment have to become. See here, I will complete this one 30, D0 at the one value coming, again 30, again 30, again 30, and it's the C10 at the value is now 1, and when one value is equal with C10, your y0 will be on, and when this time will be completed, after this value will be changed. We can choose this one. Again I go to the C0. Now this 4 seconds after complete. See, now one value will be completed. Again I give this one 30, again this 30, again this 30. Now y1 on, right? And again I will drive the timer 30, and again 30, and again 30, and see now our y2 will be on. So this way we can use this timers. How many long value if we like to make, we can make. And this in description I will give you the also snapshot of this program. You can use easily, and I hope you will be understand about this program. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.